Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another exciting activity, which is blow painting. So for blow painting you're going to need poster color, water to make it little bit like a liquid, and drawing sheet because it's little hard, it's little thick and it doesn't soak all of the paint, and a straw. If you want, you can use a straw. It comes better if you use a straw. So now let's see how to do blow painting. But before we start, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now let's see how to do blow painting. So first I'm going to start with the color blue. I have blue here on my palette. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I have blue here and I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Yeah, I think that's enough, and I'll mix it well. So here I have three different colors: blue, red and yellow. So first I'll start with blue. So I'm going to put a dot, paint, and I'm going to blow it. So it came like this, like two horns kinda. Actually, you don't know how it will turn out before you blow, but after you blow, you know. Now I'm going to put my straw straight and blow. So it came like this. I'm going to add some more paint. Now I'm going to blow. You have to keep your straw straight, then it'll come like a circle. So see this? This came kind of like a flower type. Like these are the petals and this is the base. So I'm going to do red now. So see this, how beautiful it came out. You can also make many of these like greeting cards. So now let's see how to make one more. Now we'll do another one. I have took two more different colors, which are green and purple. Actually I mixed little bit of red and blue, so it's like little purple, but the red was little dark, so it turned into dark blue. But nothing, there's no problem. Now let's see how to make another one. So I'm going to first use green. So now I'll take a different color. I'll take red. It's fine. Okay, so I'm going to do our new purple color. I'm worried about it. I'll add a little bit of water. Okay. Oh wow, that looks more like a duck's feet. Okay, I'll use yellow. Ooh, I think red fell into it. But we got nice orange color. It's like, oop, it fell. Nothing will happen. Okay. We have to blow nicely and hard. Now we'll try once again. So the last one was this. Isn't it beautiful? I like it very much. So the last two we did are this. This was the first one. And this is the second one. Now we are going to do the third one. Let's go. Let's go. Come. I'll start by adding little water in all of the paint. Yep, I think that's enough. I'm going to mix everything with its own brush. So first I'm going to put all dots. I'm taking all different colors and putting dots. I'm going to add more dots in the gaps. I'm going to add a few green ones. So this is our card. It's full of color, isn't it? There is little bit of yellow, green, and see here the yellow and green got mixed here. Here too, So I'm doing one more as it's very fun and very relaxing and it's very beautiful. So you can see how many cards I've made. I've made like many. Like I've made 3 till now. Yeah. I'm going to make so many. So I've made like so many cards. Allah. I'm going to store them all and gift them for birthdays, New Year. If you give it on New Year, it'll be like confetti flying. Ah. Yeah, and birthdays, etc., etc. We have so many celebrations. You can use these cards for all of them. Suppose it's your friend's birthday. Happy birthday. Bye. Or New Year. Happy New Year. Or Christmas. Happy Christmas. So yeah, we can make many different cards. So let's start. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of yellow. I'm going to first put like dots. So I actually cut my straw a little small. Whoa, they came really good. Two drops. Now I'm going to blow everything so that we don't have plain I'm just going to tap it and voila! See how good it came up? I'm really happy with this one. I just love blow painting. It's so good and so easy to do. You can be creative and suppose you can add like little eyes here and horns and hands and legs and it'll become a monster. We can draw whatever we want. Like this can become a caterpillar. This can become a monster. This can become an octopus. Yeah, etc. etc. So this is the last. Okay, that is the fourth one. This is the third one. Second one, and this is the first one. So So see, so this is the first one which we made. So I made like so many cards. Yeah, I'll definitely give them to someone's birthday. So if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.